Hello, I'm Zorab and this is Byther Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to get an even better crop of squashes. So I've got some Uchiki curry squashes that I sowed in a seed tray. So seeds went in. Do I have a date? Probably not. So anyway, the seeds went in not very long ago. These are the seed leaves, and these are the first true leaves coming through now. It's time to pot these on and encourage them to give us lots and lots of fruits at the end of the year. So I'm going to reuse a pot. I'm not filling it up to the very top. I do want there to be a bit of a gap so that I can water it with plenty of water to let that then soak through. So I'm using my fingers underneath the roots and picking up the plant by the root ball rather than holding the leaves or the stem. Gosh, these roots look good. So that's a nice little root ball. I'm going to make a well, a slight dip in the compost here and put that in very carefully. I'm going to press it down gently. I don't want to damage the roots. I don't want to damage the stem. So there we go. Now I've been learning how to increase your crop significantly. I would like to say double it, but I think it would be a great deal more than that. And what you do, in true Blue Peter style, here's another one I prepared earlier. What we've got are the seed leaves and then the main leaves coming through, and then in there there is the growing point in there. So what I've been reading is that if you pinch out the growing point, it will then make two leaves come, as with most plants, make it into two stems. And then you pinch those out and it will become 4, and pinch those out again and it will become 8 or more, and then you'll get fruits on each of those 8. So let's pretend it's 10 because it looks better. Then you'll get fruit growing on each of those, which means that rather than just 3 or 4 fruits, which I might get on this plant, I could end up with something like 20, which would be fabulous. So I am going to very carefully pinch out the growing tip. Like that. I'm going to put a marker in this pot so that I know I've pinched out the growing tip once. What I'm actually going to use is a huge screw, because that's what I've got, but I'm going to put that in at the very edge. It just will remind me that I have pinched out the growing tip on that one. Let's look at the one I've just potted up. And a little screw in to remind me I've pinched that one out. So I'm going to carry on potting these up now. If there are any where the growing tip looks like I could pinch that out, I will do that, and the others I'll leave and pinch them out at a later date. I'm also going to leave some of these where I haven't taken out the growing tip, and then we can have a look at the end of the year and see just how much difference it's made.